Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
So here is a package from Amazon. Let's cut it. So here is the portable SSD T5 from Samsung, 500 GB. At the side, 3 years warranty and USB 3.1 Gen 2 and made in Korea. Now let's open it. Now let's break the seal. At the top, the SSD itself. Let's open it. Here is the SSD with metal finish. Here is a type C and the certified with Europe. Okay. Now let's check the what is the box content. Here is the user manual. You can read it. Here is the USB type C to type C data cable and USB type A to type C data cable and nothing else. Okay, these are the box contents. Now let's move to the SSD. Premium look, as you can see, 500 GB SSD T5. Now let's plug in with the laptop and other end to the SSD like this. Okay, now it's already on, blue light indication. Okay, now let's check the local disk D, how the read write speed it works. Now let's choose it, how the read and write speed is. You can see here very low speed, like around 100 Mbps speed, and the write speed is also around 100 Mbps in local disk D. Now let's select the portable SSD T5, Samsung T5. Now let's check what is the result. Now let's check it. Around 400 Mbps it is showing your read speed and write speed also the same, very fast than the hard disk. Okay, now let's copy some files. As you can see here, now let's copy some files from local disk D and the T5 SSD to show the difference between the speed. Okay, here it is. Let's paste it. As you can see, it is done. Now let's go to the T5 SSD. The same file, it is cut here and paste in the T5 SSD. You can see the difference, how fast it is. Okay, so that's it. Now the software part, you can choose here and install it, accept all the agreements and run it. Now it is installed. You can set the password and ready to go. Here is the settings. Here is the total storage showing here. Here is the security. You can set the password here. Okay, like this. I'm not doing, you can do it. Okay, that's it. Here is the icon. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel and like the video. Okay, bye.